Last time I was talking about rhythm. This time I would like to show you how to enhance rhythm using a cool way you can incorporate into your photos. This technique can actually be used anywhere with a little imagination. Even though you might only be taking photos during your vacation, or you may be aiming to improve your skills in the art of photography, used by many masters such as Cartier-Bresson or Elliot Erwitt. So let's take a look at echoing shapes. Echoing shapes is usually created with a shape in the background united with a shape in the foreground. One of the shapes is usually static. Each shape should be represented, but does not have to be, by a different nature. Otherwise, we are just talking about a rhythm. Echoing can be represented by colors, shapes, or just lines. One of the most well-known street photographer, Cartier-Bresson, is a great example of using this technique. So let's take a look at some examples. In this photograph by Cartier-Bresson, we have a sculpture and the man walking in the same way as the sculpture is designed. What's actually interesting about this photo is the man installing the exhibition, if you don't know it already, is Alberto Giacometti, and he is actually the author of the sculpture. He was actually a friend of Cartier-Bresson. In this shot of Elliot Erwitt is echoing a hand in a fun way, as you can see. This is actually not so hard to do when you are like, for example, photographing on your vacation, and you can do this, you know, like asking your partner or children or whoever is there with you if you see an interesting shape that can be echoed, right? But don't do the one with the pyramid in the Louvre. This is another brilliant shot by Cartier-Bresson. This one is from Leningrad, and you can see the man with a jacket echoing the portrait of Lenin that decorates a facade of Winter Palace, where Lenin is looking at the man who is looking at the baby, and the baby is looking out of the frame. It is very nice composition. In this shot, again by Elliot Erwitt, I wanted to show you can not only echo shapes, but also, let's say, situations or positions. The last one is my photo of my wife when I try to echo the lady with the Coke. You have probably seen many photographs echoing shapes in your life and found that even funny, or at least interesting. Now, more you know about this, you will be able to see those opportunities when you are photographing, and more you know about techniques, you will not have to think about them, because you will actually use them unconsciously, and that will improve your photography. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to tag me into your Instagram stories or photographs on Instagram if you want me to see them. I will make sure to check them out and repost them. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.